Hello friend, good morning. So this is my first video
In
with
this video,
sound.
I'll teach you how you can create your GitHub profile like this. So you can see here, here is the greeting message, a tagline about you, and all the trophies or prizes that you win from GitHub, and details about you, like currently working and learning and all other things. So here is your social network things. So here is your the language that you have learned and that you're working on. Okay, so and here is the repository and you know about that. Okay, so simply you just need to create a repository. Okay, the first step is that you need to create a repository with the name as your profile name. Like in case of mine, my profile name is this one, Ali Raza hyphen or S. Okay, like this. If I'll go to this create new. Okay, so this is my profiling. I'll paste it Ali. Yeah, as you can see here, but this repository already exists in this account, so you just need to create this. After that, you just need to create on add readme file, this one. Okay, so just need to click on create repository. So you just need to click on add readme file and click on create repository. After that, because readme file is a markdown structure, so that's why it's a just accept the HTML or XML file structure. So you just need to go to uh, readme generator GitHub. Okay, so I have already pasted this URL in the video description, so you just need to go to here. Okay, after that you need to fill all the details. Okay, when you done this, you just need to click on create readme. Okay, after that, yeah, you can see here, you just now copy this and paste it to your readme files and click on save. And after that, you can see here your profile look like this, like this. Okay, thank you so much. Also please follow for more details, because current my follower is just one, because all of my YouTube subscriber not following this. Thank you so much, take care.